It's the 24th of January and the markets are looking very green. So let's take a look at the crypto market and understand why this is. Bitcoin seems to be moving up in a lovely pattern that we described about yesterday. It's hopefully going to confirm a higher low, and we need this to get above the $106,000 mark, confirm that, and this should send Bitcoin way higher. Part of this pump happened because the Bank of Japan raised interest rates in line with expectations. I said it was baked into the market and it was just a small fear. You can see this by the increase in the NI 225, which is basically the S&P 500 of Japan, and that is a really lovely trend line going up. This obviously exploded the S&P 500. I stated that it broke this downward trend line, and to be honest, it's closing at the highest levels it has ever done. This is looking very promising for all risk-on assets. We look at the DXY, which is in essence the dollar, and we've seen it break this support line. Now it's having a bit of a reaction of the 55-day EMA, but this is looking very positive for risk on assets, as this looks like it's going to have a continuation down, which means that the dollar is less attractive and risk on assets are more attractive, which is extremely good for risk on assets such as Bitcoin, crypto, and various other stocks. We look at Bitcoin dominance. It's had a beautiful rejection of the 58.88%, and this looks like there's going to be a continuation down. I would suspect there's going to be some level of resistance there, but this is on a downward trajectory. What we need is for this to come down and produce a lower low. That could be a change of trend, and that could be extremely positive for altcoins. Further extremely bullish news, Donald Trump signed an executive order stating that there's going to be a formal reserve of crypto, not just Bitcoin, but crypto. And it looks more and more likely that the Bitcoin reserve is a more of a definite. This was stated in our pro group 30 minutes before anyone else knew. If you want to check that out, go and check out fatcat.social. If you buy an NFT, there's only 20 left. You'll have a lifetime membership to the pro group. This was further bolstered by CZ sending a text message saying that the crypto is moving at crypto speed and the strategic reserve is almost imminent. Solana is looking absolutely amazing. It's broken out of this bullish pennant. This was described also in the pro trading group. If you want to check it out, it's at fatcat.social. If you get an NFT, costs 1.5 SOL. That's a lifetime membership to this project. That breakout there is insane. The reason why that is insane and why this bullish pennant works is that in this graph formation, once this breakout happens, the move is usually that move there. So where this could go from here, according to TA analysis, is $380. Oh, wow. Another coin that I think is a potential great buy is MKR. There is a clear invalidation here. We called it at this point when it passed the 21-day EMA, so it's nice and comfortable. This thing has a potential to rise and have a potential resistance there, but there to there would probably be a 45% high. I would say the market still is a bit choppy, so take profits as you go up. If you want all of these type of trades, go and check out fatcat.social. As I said, one NFT gets you into the pro group, and that's where we go from there. So in wrap up, the market looks healthy. The S&P 500 looks healthy. The dollar is falling. Everything looks conducive for the risk on assets and crypto to pump up higher. I will say one thing though. The S&P 500 has had a wild breakout. There will be a time where this pulls back, and that will also call all of these risk on assets to pull back as well. There is a direct correlation between the two. Watch the space. Make sure you take profits if you're on leverage. If you're not, keep an eye on the market and the macro conditions, or come back tomorrow where I'll be doing this analysis again. This happens on a daily basis. I'm Alvarez, a 7-figure crypto investor. Like, follow, share, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.